Hi, happy Saturday. So, lots going on. Dirt has been coming in throughout the week. Over there we have a patio, and over there we've got some serious machinery to the point that big yellow John Deere thing, the guy broke the axle on his trailer bringing it in, and CHP had to come out and guide traffic so he can get it off the trailer. So here they are. I think they're having more fun than not. And I better move my Kubota. There's Russ. They're clearing out that back end right there. It was full all the way beyond those rocks. Amazing. Okay, well, I'm gonna go check out the tile if I can get across here without getting run over. Oh, geez, they found another rattlesnake. Took care of that. So here's the patio. We've got the same as the front, a little bit of brown Saltillo stamp with the gray concrete. Just kind of wraps around here. I'll take a step. I think the last thing to do is some trim on these doors here. Other than that, looking pretty good. We go to the stairs. This patio area. So it's coming together. Say hi, Wiggle. Say hi, Wiggle. Wiggle. She's being shy. Say hi. Smile. Anyhow, so yep, excited. This pour will happen next week. And yeah, coming together. Looks like somebody had a shaky hand here. Not nearly as smooth as like this edge. Maybe they can touch it up. Okay. Pillar will be repaired when they finish everything else. So pretty excited, and that's up to the west side of the house. Take it around to the garage. Okay. I guess that big yellow tractor, whatever, bulldozer, could pick up this rock if it wanted to. If it's capable of picking up this rock and moving it versus damaging the smaller tractor trying to dig it or roll it out. Anyhow, they're having a good time. All right, everyone, well, have a great Saturday, and we'll touch base tomorrow if there's more activity. Okay, be safe out there. Be kind to one another. Bye.